this? I didn't pay for it. It was a baby from another dog, and it lives in my house. It didn't cost me anything. It just likes to live here. Get really, really close and demand attention. Good morning. Just getting ready for winter. Stacking, covering. This is my slab wood pile. To find a better place for the lawnmower. I'm gonna move the barbecue later after I move the RV. Or should I say my neighbor's gonna help me move it. See over there? The back of it's going to be right there, and then the front's going to be right there. The door's going to go out this way. So I have the triangle of the shed, the outhouse, and the cooking mobile. Okay, let's go see if there's any water in the dug hole. Came down here, so we're in the middle of October. I came down here last month, September. There was no water, just muck in the bottom. That's a big oak tree. The oak trees, you can tell because they don't drop their leaves as quick as the maples. Though there is sometimes not the rule. And then also there's oak leaves all over the ground. We had a tiny little bit of rain last night, which is nice, because otherwise this would be super crunchy. Any water in there? Nope. No water. Just muck.
Stay close, Macoos. Hunting season. Not deer, but bow hunting. Well, maybe it is for deer, but... So, let's see if there's any water in here. Is there water down there? Ooh, she looks pretty dry. Hey? Just muck. Oh, just muck. You're gonna stink. No water at the very end. Okay, well, it's dry as a bone. The ferns are all golden. Tamaracks losing their needles. Winter's coming. Just gonna give these carrots a little bit of a bath. Take out the ones that are chewed on by slugs. You want a drink? Carrot, dirty water? I never had slug problems before. The last of them. I got about 2 bins this size in the city. Okay, I'm gonna put those up here to dry. Of course, I just made a big puddle in my work zone. Good thing I got my rubber boots on. not exactly clean, but at least I can see which ones have been chewed on. Look at this one. That's pretty hefty. Twins! Okay, well, I'm going to find a better screen so this all drips and dries. Thanks for dropping by to the carrot harvest. What am I doing? I'm sorting Gladiolus corms. Corms? Corms? Well, they're not bulbs. They're not tubers. I think it's pronounced corms. These ones I've sorted. So I just Googled it because I've never done this before. Here is this thing right here is the old one. You have to pop off. That's the old corm that grew the gladiola. This is the new one I'm going to save. Just trim that stem up, cut off the extra roots, clean them up a bit, take them apart and doubles, and yeah, gladiolas. Clean and sorted gladiola corms. Finishing these ones. Trim off these roots. And then keep letting those dry in a non-freezing environment. Dry. And then plant them again in the spring. Gladiola bulbs are pretty expensive, so I want to see if I can save these and grow them again. Just going to save all these little tiny baby corms from the gladiolus. Trying to remove the chaff, but there's no wind. Chickadees, chickadees standing on the camera. Little chickadee. What do you think wrong with this? What's so funny, the chickadees seeing what I'm up to. Maybe if I do this. Ooh, those going by. Well, I guess that's as good as it's gonna get. So I get some wind to blow that chaff off. Do it. So that's a fair bit. Gladiolas. Gonna put it back in here. Let them dry more. Lots of space. Dry. Put it inside so it doesn't freeze tonight.